was a fun little recipe that I saw on Pinterest and I thought Maya would like it. You ready to get started?
Yeah.
All right, let's get our pan and our dough. We have parchment paper here and our pizza crust here for this recipe. Okay, let's open it up. There we go. So let's roll it out. Now that we got our pizza crust laid out, it's time to cut it up into 10 separate pieces. We're gonna add our vegan ground beef and our cheese sticks. Now that we have our vegan ground beef down, it is time for the cheese. It's time to roll them up and add melted butter and parsley. We got all of our taco sticks folded up, and now it's time.
Brush.
Yes, it's time to brush.
I'm going to brush you guys.
It's time to brush our butter and parsley flakes mixture. Now that our taco sticks are covered in the melted butter and parsley mix, it's time to bake them for 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, our taco sticks are all ready. Bye guys! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on Friday.